Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on FLOKI. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that FLOKI broke down the support of an up channel on the daily time frame chart, and recently it formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And this was my last video that I shared almost 3 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price line is also rejected by the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. This was the right shoulder and this was the head of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and here we had the right shoulder. This was the left shoulder and this was the right shoulder. The price line got rejected by this neckline. And now the price line has broken down this support and it has also formed another lower than the previous low of the head. Therefore, this inverse head and shoulder pattern formation is now invalidated. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term down channel. And after that, you can see that the price line has formed this broadening rising wedge pattern, and whenever it is getting bound from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it is forming higher highs and reaching the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern as well. And by the way, this was a very powerful rally so far from this low to this high. You can see that it has rallied more than 7,148%, but I'm expecting still a big move due, and I will also share that target with you as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for FLOKI that I shared a few days ago. Not a few days ago, in the month of May 2024. I shared this signal with my members on 20th of May 2024. And this was a harmonic bullish reverse guarded pattern that FLOKI formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup, by the way. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 83% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me take you to the live chart of FLOKI. And this is the weekly. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame chart. In here, previously I've been showing you this down channel and this symmetrical triangle. This was the symmetrical triangle, by the way, this one. And the price line broke out the resistance of the triangle and the channel. And the technical target for this breakout from this channel that I was telling you was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $0.003, $0.0003. And you can see that the price line read that target. And after hitting that target, the price line broke down the support of this up channel. The previous support of the triangle was also breaking as a support of this channel. And I was telling you that technical target for this breakdown is here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at $0.001295. And you can see that the price line has dropped more than that. And here we had a hope that the pricing can have a reversal because it was forming this inverse head and shoulder pattern. This was the left shoulder and the head, and this was the right shoulder. But the pricing got rejected by the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. This was the neckline, by the way. And now this head and shoulder pattern is also invalidated because the pricing has formed another lower than the previous lowest price of the head. However, it has broken down this very significant support that can be now flipped into a strong resistance. By the way, this support zone or resistance zone start from 0.00 and 0.000129 dollars and goes to 0.001472 dollars. If the price breaks out this resistance zone, then an imminent move can be possible up to the next resistance of $0.0002. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term down channel, and the price has formed this big and long-term broadening rising wedge pattern. And whenever it is getting bound from the support, it is forming higher highs and also hitting the resistance of the wedge. This time, the price has also formed another higher than previous high, but still did not hit the resistance of the wedge. And if this time the price hits the resistance of the wedge, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately $0.0028 to $0.003. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.